Hello, I thought I'd give you just a short screencast on this assignment that's due this coming week. Specifically, we're working this week on the PTA Standards of Ethical Conduct, and it's an opportunity for you to go ahead and reflect on your own code of ethics, and to go ahead and to just get a sense as novice SPTAs where your ethical framework is, in particular after you're looking at the previous page and getting exposed to the standards of ethical conduct for the PTA. So how you're going to integrate these standards is by asking yourself these questions. So similar to last week when you submitted some answers to questions about Robert and incorporating your color or learning style, you're going to do the same in terms of incorporating your own personal code of ethics into an assignment. Okay, if you have plenty of time, I'm keeping it open for 2 hours, so which will give you ample time to go ahead and type in your answers. And I do recommend that put them into a Word document and copying and pasting. The questions are in a minute, really 1 minute, tell me what comes to mind in the word ethics. What does the word ethics mean to you? And tell me which of the standards in question 2 strikes you as one that'll be difficult for you to carry out of the PTA. That's worth 1 point. And then describe, why is this the case? Why is it hard for you to carry out that particular standard? Now this is what I really want you to think about, because I'm interested in knowing your answer, but also realize you've just started a program and you have not completed the level of education as a newly graduate PTA. This is about workplace ethics, and particularly ethics at the workplace as a entry-level professional. Are your workplace ethics consistent with a new graduate who's just completed the program in the physical therapy setting? Then the final one is, which of the standards are easy for you? And you can just go through and type in your answers. There's only 4 questions, so 4 answers. Finish your attempt just like you do on a quiz. Then you go ahead and submit all and finish. Okay, so I've included a couple of just answers from past students, just reminding you what your reference point needs to be in terms of the standards of ethical conduct for completing this assignment. So we're not talking about life ethics. We're not talking about specifically moral decisions outside of the realm of physical therapy. We're talking about the standards of ethical conduct for the PTA. So this person said the one that's tough for them, note that's a very simple example. And that's just an example. And then they answered which ones of the standards would be easy for them. And here's an example. So pretty straightforward. I think it's a fun assignment in terms of just starting to think about these questions, because as SPTAs, part of the measure of overall clinical readiness is to see you live out the standards within the context of the classroom in terms of how you treat your classmates and really how you interact with your instructors who are acting in the role of the supervising physical therapist. have questions, by all means let me know, or you could post a question in the Can I Help You forum to get some perspectives from your classmates.